This is the 2025 model year Hymer MLT 570 crossover. Right from the off, you can see it's lifted. It's got the all-terrain tires. You've got a front LED light bar. You've got a heated front windscreen. Your electric welcome step. You have an awning, an LED light rail from factory. Up top, we've got two solar panels. There's a lithium system in this van. Right here, you've got your gas barbecue point. You've got your big garage. I'll open that. There'll be a wee snippet of it being opened. You've got a ladder up to access to the roof then. On the back, we've also got a spare wheel. Beefy big wheel there. Up top there is a reverse camera as well. On the passenger side then, we have other side access to this big garage, tall garage. You put a moped or whatever in here. You've got a second toilet cassette there. In here houses your inverter as well. So with the lithium system and the solar, you also have an inverter, so it's really, really good for off-grid. In here is your gas bottle storage, two big bottles there, which is handy. Another thing you don't have to worry about when you're off-grid for a long period of time. Over here, your toilet cassette one as well. And then access to sort of circuit boards and all the rest in here too then. Below here then you have your lithium setup, so all very nice, neat and tidy. Alright, come on inside and join me. So we're in the cab of the Hymer MLT 570 crossover. You have this newly updated steering wheel from Mercedes. You've got this multimedia system here as well. Other little features like your welcome step when you're inside the vehicle, you can sort of put that in or out. Electric handbrake, and then up here you've got the lane keeping sort of system there. There's a couple other features there as well. Okay, so in the lounge area then we have this lovely leather finish onto your upholstery, and your wood finish then is bamboo in this particular van. It is 4 belt and it's 3 berth. This table is telescopic, so it drops down and you've got a 3rd berth around here. Okay, so whenever you come through the habitation door, you're met with this lovely digital control panel. This is where you would check all your water levels, your battery levels. But then on this side you have your Truma control panel. This vehicle is diesel heating system with electric. You'll see that because it says fuel as opposed to saying gas. Onto the kitchen then, you've got this 3 gas hob, nicely laid out there, and then you have this big sink. On the bottom of the sink cover you've actually got a wee wooden chopping board, which I think is a nice feature. The fridge setup then, you have this Dometic compressor fridge. It's a really generous size, and up top you have your little freezer box and then loads of storage there for whatever you may need. With the bathroom then, you have this toilet or wet room style bathroom, and you've got little cubby holes up on here, and then whenever it's shower time you swing this round. That covers your toilet from getting soaked, and yeah, just a neat design there. I always like that design. Okay, so at the minute then we have the bed laid out as a big double. That's with this little insert here and this little board as well then. So nice layout too, but normally then this would be 2 high singles without that there. Over the top then we have loads of storage, and at the back we have a 3-pin plug, 2 USB sockets and 2 USB sockets this side, which these leads are connecting to at the minute. So important to note that in such a small van, 6.89 meters, we have tons of storage at the front of both sides of the bed, or for the end of the beds. You've got a ton of room here with hanging space, and same for this side. You've got sort of drawers or shelves there as well, so really, really good use of the space. Alright guys, there you have it, the Hymer MLT 570 crossover. Full specs available on our website. And you'll see the full range of over 250 motorhomes as well. If you have any questions on this particular van or any other vans for that matter, please give me a shout. It's robin@thompsonleisure.com, or you can give me a call on 07849 911 573. Thanks for taking time to watch the video.